the ramp!
Oh man! Oh, Bryce! Oh, that's
Not bad, not bad, not bad. That's good, that's good.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, love it, love it.
I don't normally get airtime on that hill.
Wow!
That was nice. That was nice.
That was actually not that bad. That was a good. We had a little airtime on that thing. That was not what I expected.
Yeah, I don't really normally get as much airtime on that the hill after the mid course.
Yeah,
It was
but
actually hitting.
not bad. It's not bad. I mean, the brakes, not bad.
Yeah, I feel like the mid course is improving the last.